Hey guys, what's up? So this is kind of a last minute vlog. I'm headed out the door to go meet a friend to shoot or record a podcast. That's a new thing. I'm super excited to get this thing started, but I'm having an incredibly anxious day. So literally running out the door, just getting my stuff together to go meet her to go shoot this podcast at like a semi-local coffee shop. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit. There's not really much that has like evolved from that yet. But despite that, I'm already running late. I've got a hair in my mouth. And I was doing tax stuff this morning. I am 100% stressed out. On top of, I couldn't fall asleep last night till like 2 in the morning. I didn't get a lot of sleep. Haven't been to the gym yet. Oh man, okay, so this day's a little bit of a shit show already. But, welcome. Alright, I will see you guys in a bit. Good, how are you? A little wet out here?
Yeah, well, I thought if maybe I'll ask him for a rag real quick.
Yeah, good idea.
It's gonna be way too loud in there.
Oh yeah. So, I'm vlogging today.
Yeah, okay.
So, yeah, we're doing a podcast.
Okay.
This is Jenny, YouTube.
I'm eating.
You've met her once before.
Yes.
Maybe. If you are new, then maybe not.
This looks forkable, but I think it's better, like, hand.
Yeah,
Definitely could not get through that first.
This looks forkable. Anyways,
They wanted to give me a gold fork, though. That's the key.
You know, you don't see many gold forks.
I know.
Usually they're silver.
I want gold forks. I'm interested to come back in a month and see what this gold looks like. Honestly, from like washing it and stuff, I've heard they don't weather well and they're fairly expensive. So, but they look cool.
Yeah, it's true. We'll see. Alright, well, let's get started on this podcast then.
They aren't best.
Yeah, these are like the weirdest. I feel like I'm in like a McDonald's plane.
I know.
Alright, podcast is recorded. I'll let you all know when that first episode is up. Could be a bit, we'll see. My anxiety today is like way up there. I'm gonna stop talking about it eventually, I promise. I'm always anxious though, you guys probably know that. I did get some fresh eggs from Jenny's farm though, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I might have to be enjoying these for lunch. Anyways, I am headed out of Auburn now. Gonna go back home, eat some food, go to the gym, meet with a client, and try to get this anxiety out of my body. If y'all are tax people and you feel like helping someone out, let me know. I think that is my biggest stressor right now is taxes, because I've never, you know, been self-employed before. This is my first year being self-employed, and so I'm starting to worry about doing my taxes. You know, January is just around the corner now. Taxes and health insurance and all that stuff gets a little complicated. Help? Alright, we'll see you in a bit. got my pre-workout meal. And this is just Japanese sweet potatoes, which are delicious. They're a little less sweet than regular sweet potatoes, but in a good way. Ground turkey and cabbage, goddess dressing, and then red pepper sauce. Yeah, that is about it. Water, that sort of thing. I'm supposed to go to this event today with some friends, but I'm kind of just feeling rushed since I woke up late because I didn't sleep well. So right now is about where I debate whether I go or I bail. So I'm gonna eat this and make that decision at this point. Wow. Anyways, I'll see you in a bit. Are you eating tacos?
No.
Stay puppy.
Alright.
Well, what are you doing?
I didn't know.
I don't think it's a real thing. I think they're just like, tacos. It's not even Tuesday. Hi, puppy. Did you miss me? Hmm? Alright, home sweet home. I had a not so like awesome workout. It was back and biceps today. But also do deadlifts on back day, but I've been having some knee issues, so I've honestly just been feeling a little bit like defeated because I've got my eyes set on a competition coming this summer. I haven't said which one yet. I don't have a specific date, but I do have one in mind, and granted that, you know, I don't have more surgeries besides just the one in December. That shouldn't be horrible. I'm hoping that I can still compete in this one. It's not about winning or whatever, but it's about like coming back better than I did the first time I got on stage. Just kind of like proving to myself that I can do it again. I can come back, and even after all the surgeries and shit. But the other day after a leg day, my knee got super swollen. Like I couldn't even bend it, and I had luckily already made a doctor's appointment weeks before, just because it kind of was already doing this. But they ended up draining my knee. I had like 10 times the amount of fluid that was supposed to be in there, and then the doctor ordered an MRI to make sure there wasn't something else going on that he missed originally, or a reoccurring injury. I've torn my meniscus 3 times now. I don't know how much meniscus is left to tear or how I keep tearing it. Honestly, I'm not doing anything weird. It's like, is my It's my bone made of razor blades where it's just cutting through my meniscus. If you don't know what the meniscus is, it's like the cartilage between, it's in your knee. It's like a cushioning for your knee joint. And I keep tearing that in my left knee. I don't know how, I don't know why. The first time I tore it, it was like basketball back in junior high. But anyways, I'm too young to not be able to do what I want to do, but I'm too old to, I don't know where I'm getting here. I'm not old enough to just quit squatting and all that stuff now. So Monday is my MRI. I'm just hoping that I don't really know what to hope for. It'd be nice if this could be fixed, but it would also be kind of a bummer if this is just my new knee, like my new normal, because I have arthritis, which I do have the beginnings of arthritis. But I can't see that it would be so quickly progressing that it's gotten to this extent just since the last time I had surgery. I don't know, we'll find out. I feel like this video is a lot of talking about nothing. But welcome to this day. Carly's doing what I feel like doing right now. Current feels just wanting to suck on blankets. What are you doing? You weirdo. You're a big baby. Anyways, I will keep you updated on the knee issue, the competing plans and stuff like that. But until then, I'm gonna make some dinner.
Mold, freezer, baker, or ice cubes, whatever you want.
That's awesome.
Yes, we can make popsicles for all the dogs.
Or for us.
For us. Hi, puppy. Oh.
Or
So for dinner, I got these farm fresh eggs that I got from Jenny today, and then some leftover salmon, kind of scrambled in there. The scrambles are great for using leftovers that you just don't know what to do with. Some steamed broccoli and some more potatoes. Yeah, I'm excited to eat this. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. Alright, so this light is bright. My day is basically over. I don't want to talk too loud to wake up my roommates. I feel like I needed a restart on this whole day, so I might just try vlogging again tomorrow to see if it was better. I probably have food in my teeth. I didn't check after I ate dinner. This is what happens when you wake up on the wrong side of the bed. Things just don't go as planned. My brain was foggy, so yeah, thanks for watching this, I guess, if I post this. Day in the life, for real. So, I'm gonna go. Feel free to leave any questions behind down below. Don't forget, I'm doing a cooking class this Saturday, 6 p.m. October 6th. Be there. I don't know what I'm cooking yet, but hopefully you can come hang out, ask questions, all that sort of fun stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.